Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 45 HR, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. To unpair this watch from your phone, you need to open the Garmin Connect app on your phone. In the app, we need to tap on this watch icon right here at the top, R45 HR icon, and you should see the Forerunner 45 device page right here. On this page, tap right here on this icon to open the menu and select the remove device option, then tap remove to confirm. And this icon should disappear. As you can see, that means that the device was unpaired. You will also see this icon right here at the bottom of the screen of your watch, the phone icon crossed out. That means that the watch is unpaired from a phone. You can also check the Bluetooth settings on your watch, or rather not watch, on your phone. And here, as you can see, we have Forerunner in the previously connected devices. We can tap on settings next to it, tap on forget, and forget device, and do it again like that, just to be sure. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.